It's not that uncommon that the blinkers and the hazard lights in your Kia Sportage 2015-2021 may not be working. So you press all these levers, but the thing is that the lights don't work. And if one light doesn't work, it's probably the light bulb in that light and you can just replace it. But if both lights and also the hazard light doesn't work, it means that the problem is with some fuse or relay. But if you look at the map, there is actually no relays, no fuses for these function. And there is a secret knowledge that you can actually get from the internet, that there is a fuse box here, and that's not a secret knowledge. But the secret knowledge is that the fuse for the power socket controls the hazard lights somehow. So here we have the fuse for the power outlet. It's right from the fuse switch. It's pretty easy to find. So here it is, the green one, 20 amp fuse. It controls the power outlet, and somehow it controls the blinkers and the hazard lights. I don't know how it works, but it helped a lot of people on the Kia forums all around the world, and so I wanted to share this information. If your hazard lights and the blinkers don't work, check that fuse, or maybe replace it with any other 20 amp fuse here and see if it helps you solve the problem.